Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of 2 over s squared multiplied with the square root of s squared minus 1 ds. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. We put about s equal to secant of t ds equals to secant of t tan t dt. We put number 2 in here. ds we change for this one. S we change for this one and this one. Next we have secant of t squared minus 1 equal to tan t squared. So we put tan t squared in here. The square root of tan t squared, you got about tan t. This one and this one, they will cancel together, and you got about dt over secant of t. Secant of t is equal to 1 over cosine t. So you got about cosine t dt. And we got the final answer. About t, we need to change back for s. So you got about t equal to r sec of s. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.